Going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol HMPQ. This one was just brought to us over here a few minutes ago by Bat Scientist over here on our YouTube channel and our live stream on Investors Hangout. HMPQ, Hemp Americans begins construction on CBD oil extraction facility, the largest CBD oil extraction machine in the Northeast, and weeks away from production. So that's what's going on right now with HMPQ, and a shout out to Bat Scientist for giving me that information for what's going on here instead of just blindly looking at a chart, not understanding exactly what's going on. So again, right now, for you guys that are just new and not understanding what a stock chart is, we're currently looking at a HMPQ stock chart on the 30-minute time frame. Each one of these candles represent 30 minutes instead of the daily that we normally do, which we're going to jump into here in a second. So essentially, or what really is going on here is that each one of these candles represents 30 minutes, and then this will give you a really good idea. This right here was the opening of today. Okay, so these candles are all from today right here, and these over here look to be the 25th. Okay, I'm not an artist, but you guys get the point, right? Coming off that upper Bollinger Band. You guys had that big move over here about an hour ago that really catapulted this one past that 0.2 resistance level that we seen from the previous hour. You guys got back up here very close to that 0.350. We're going to call that a little bit because I think you're going to hit a little bit of resistance at that 0.340, but we're going to keep that at that 0.350 as well. Making your way off of this one, reset the chart in the last hour, now making its next climb back up right now. So we're going to continue to watch this one because in my personal opinion, on news like that, it's going to give a lot of momentum into this one. And from the looks here, when this one does make moves, it's usually a multi-day move, especially with a gap up here in the recent. Let's go take a look at August move here, for example. So, for example, you guys had that big bullish engulfing candle here that we've seen right here. And then the next few days, you guys just basically gapped up, and then it started pulling back down to that 30-day simple moving average. All right, so then obviously that right there, that 0.2, was going to be a resistance level from back here. Pulling back down, we're not going to go all, this take me forever to go through each one of those, but to give you guys the big clear picture here. Remember on that 30-minute chart, we were watching that 0.2? Well, this is why. Because once you guys broke through there, you guys really broke out. So again, the next level up there at that top is going to be 0.350. You guys get enough momentum to push you past that. I think that you could break out again off of that. Might not happen today though. Might take another day or so. So we're going to watch for this one. It might, you guys break through that 0.350 area. I think you're going to continue up. You guys can't get past that 0.350. You might end up closing around that area today where you guys are currently at between the 0.3 and 0.350. Then next week, we're going to continue to watch this one for sure. So let's add in our notes here. 126 for today's current date. We're going to put in 0.325. Resistance is going to be at that 0.350. And that's going to follow up with the 0.4. We can see that here in the previous back over here. It's actually going to be quite a while from dates that are going to be bringing us back to January, just about a year ago, 2 years ago, from those levels. Support. So again, this is really good. I'm sure a lot of people are ecstatic right now with this. 0.3, 0.250, bring you guys back up to all the previous levels. And then 0.2. All right, so watch for the break. 0.350 could break out again. I would I made that clear. I would expect this one to close between this area and get, unless something happened here and you guys got a big powerhouse that came through this one and then started pushing it up again. But watch for another breakout off that 0.350. You're going to see a big fluctuation in pricing if you do, in my personal opinion. Has room to keep going here. Watch for the volume next week. Make sure that volume is going to continue here because that volume is being a big factor. I really wish that we would have caught this one yesterday. I really do. We would have been watching for that breakdown here of that 0.150, but that breakout was at 0.2, 0.150 down there, especially around that 3.4 as well. So HMPQ, if you guys are following the stock, definitely encourage you to join investorshangout.com. It's completely free. Unlimited posts, from unlimited posts and messages from user to user, and unlimited stock data as well. So you can follow all of your stocks. And then back over here again, one more thing. Again, this is what I'm talking about on that 0350. Look at that. That is where this all comes in. Look at what happened as soon as you broke that. You broke it out again. We're going to be watching that climbing right now. 0340 HMPQ, investorshangout.com.